Plant water management and mineral regulation. A study of transpiration and mineral uptake control. This presentation on how plants manage water and mineral uptake, especially under challenging environmental conditions. We'll explore both the natural mechanisms plants employ and how agricultural processes can enhance these systems. PQNK, Cultivating Sustainable Tomorrow Through Regenerative Agriculture. The basic relationship. Water to plants, blood to mammals. Serves as a nutrient carrier system. Facilitates mineral transport throughout the plant. The relationship between water and plants mirrors that of blood in mammals. Both serve as crucial carriers of nutrients. Water delivers essential minerals throughout the plant structure, supporting all vital functions. Transpiration dynamics. Transpiration rate correlates with mineral requirements. Dense mineral solutions slow transpiration. Diluted solutions increase transpiration rate. Transpiration, the evaporation of water from plant surfaces, is directly linked to mineral requirements. When the mineral concentration in water is high, transpiration naturally slows down. Conversely, diluted solutions trigger increased transpiration rates as plants work to acquire sufficient minerals. The Summer Challenge. High summer temperatures increase evaporative cooling. Plants transpire more to cool leaf surfaces. Risk: concentration of minerals in remaining water. During hot summer afternoons, plants face a significant challenge. They must increase transpiration to cool their leaves through evaporation, but this creates a potential problem. As water evaporates, minerals can become increasingly concentrated in the remaining solution. The mineral management question. How do plants prevent mineral toxicity when evaporative cooling increases but water mineral solution is already dense? This raises our central question: how do plants handle the potential mineral overload that might result from increased evaporation when the water mineral solution is already dense? Let's explore the sophisticated mechanisms plants have evolved to address this challenge. Root regulation and selectivity. Ion channels and transporters actively regulated. Selective absorption of essential minerals. Ability to limit uptake when external concentrations are high. Plants exercise remarkable control at the root level. They can regulate ion channels and transporters in root cell membranes, selectively absorbing essential minerals while limiting uptake when external concentrations become excessive. Internal transport management. Selective loading/unloading in xylem and phloem. Sequestration of excess minerals into vacuoles. Binding minerals to organic molecules. Once minerals enter the plant, their movement is carefully controlled through selective loading and unloading in the vascular tissues. Excess minerals can be sequestered into vacuoles or bound to organic molecules to prevent toxicity. Osmotic and water balance. Synthesis of osmolytes, proline, glycine, betaine. Maintenance of cell turgor without excessive mineral uptake. Moderation of water loss and dilution of mineral concentrations. Plants adapt to water scarcity or high mineral concentrations by adjusting their osmotic potential. They synthesize osmolytes that help maintain cell turgor without requiring excessive mineral accumulation, effectively moderating water loss while diluting internal mineral concentrations. Stomatal regulation. Control of stomatal aperture. Partial closure during high temperatures. Balancing cooling needs with mineral intake limitation. The regulation of stomatal aperture serves as another critical control mechanism. During high temperatures, plants may partially close their stomata to reduce water loss, which simultaneously limits mineral intake from the soil solution, helping prevent excess mineral accumulation. The sodium challenge. What happens when mineral solutions are imbalanced? Excessive sodium presents special challenges. Plants need essential minerals but must limit sodium. An additional complexity arises when mineral solutions are not proportionally balanced. For example, excessive sodium in soil presents a particular challenge, as plants must continue absorbing essential minerals while limiting sodium uptake. Selective ion transport. Highly selective ion channels and transporters. Specific mechanisms to limit sodium uptake. Specialized transport systems in salt-tolerant plants. Plants employ highly selective ion transport mechanisms in their roots. Many species have developed specific mechanisms to limit sodium uptake despite its abundance in the soil solution. Salt-tolerant plants, or halophytes, have particularly specialized transport systems. Sodium management strategies. Exclusion at root level. Modification of membrane properties. Active export via antiporters. Compartmentalization within cells. Adjustment of transporter activity. Plants manage sodium through multiple strategies, including exclusion at the root level, modification of membrane properties, active export via specialized proteins called antiporters, compartmentalization within cells, and continuous adjustment of transporter activity based on external conditions. Competitive inhibition and balance. High sodium competes with essential cations, K+, Ca squared+, Mg squared+. Upregulation of specific transporters. Maintenance of critical K+/Na+ balance. High sodium levels can competitively inhibit the uptake of essential cations like potassium. Plants counteract this by upregulating specific transporters to maintain the critical balance between potassium and sodium, which is vital for cellular functions. Plant adaptations. Halophytes, specialized for high sodium environments. Glycophytes, more sensitive to sodium imbalance. Evolutionary adaptations reflect habitat conditions. Plants show remarkable diversity in their adaptations to mineral challenges. Halophytes have evolved specialized mechanisms to thrive in high sodium environments, while glycophytes, which include most common plants, are more sensitive and less efficient at sodium regulation. Agricultural process development. Process development is central to agricultural adaptation. Understanding soil-water plant relationships is essential. Effective processes enhance plant resilience to stress. Moving beyond natural plant mechanisms, agricultural innovation focuses on process development. As highlighted by Paedar PQNK's research, understanding the interconnected nature of production agriculture is essential for developing effective processes that enhance plant resilience to environmental stresses, including mineral imbalances. The evolution of planting methods demonstrates how agricultural processes directly impact plant performance. From traditional hand-dribbled planting to advanced PQNK raised bed mulched systems, each improvement in process has significantly increased yields. These methods also enhance plants' ability to manage water and minerals efficiently by creating optimal growing environments. Process impact on nutritional value. Agricultural processes affect nutrient density. Proper mineral management enhances crop quality. From farm to metabolism, production methods transform nutritional value. The processes we use in agriculture don't just affect yields, they directly impact nutritional value. When plants can properly manage mineral uptake, they produce more nutrient-dense foods. This farm-to-metabolism connection highlights how production methods transform the nutritional profile of our food, with significant implications for human health. A systemic approach to plant management begins with process development but extends through trained personnel, appropriate tools, and value addition. This comprehensive integration creates not just viable productivity but sustainable prosperity. When we help plants manage water and minerals effectively, we're setting the foundation for a more resilient agricultural system. Broader ecological and economic impact. Water conservation and aquifer rejuvenation. Soil regeneration and carbon sequestration. Enhanced economic viability for farmers. Improved public health through nutrient-dense foods. The benefits of optimized plant water and mineral management extend far beyond individual crops. Effective agricultural processes contribute to water conservation, soil regeneration, and carbon sequestration. They enhance economic viability for farmers while producing more nutritious foods that improve public health. This creates a positive feedback loop with cascading benefits across ecological and economic systems. Conclusion. Plants demonstrate sophisticated control over mineral uptake through natural adaptations, enhanced by agricultural processes, creating sustainable, resilient systems, benefiting both plant and human health. In conclusion, plants' natural ability to control mineral uptake through root selectivity, internal sequestration, osmotic regulation, and stomatal control can be significantly enhanced through thoughtful agricultural processes. By understanding and supporting these mechanisms, we create more sustainable and resilient growing systems that benefit both plant and human health. The process-centered approach to agriculture represents our best path forward in addressing challenges of climate change and resource scarcity. PQNK, Picnic, Cultivating Sustainable Tomorrow Through Regenerative Agriculture.